guys, welcome to my channel once again, and this is my no makeup face. So I'm here to review a product for you, and the product is nothing but Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks. So in this video I'll be testing this lipstick throughout the day and keep you updated on how it lasts and what is my final take on it. So if you're interested to watch this video, please keep on watching, and before that please subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and also click on the bell icon near the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. To start with, let's see what Sugar says about this product on their website. On their website they say that the formula of this lipstick is made such that it gives an opaque finish or opaque coverage in one single swipe, so that you don't have to layer this lipstick on and on to get pigmentation. So that is what they say here, and it is available in 20 stunning shades, and also this product is dermatologically tested and it is safe to use. So coming to the packaging of this lipstick, it comes in a cardboard box like this with a beautiful lady over here. When you open this box, you get the gorgeous liquid lipstick here. So this is how the liquid lipstick looks like. It is a very clear plastic box. It is sturdy. It has a matte black cap with sugar written here and logos over here. Under the liquid lipstick you have the shade number and also the shade name, and you get 4.5 ml of this product in this packaging, which is not a bad quantity. So here I have picked up two shades, Wine and Shine in the shade number 08, and the second one is Jet Set Violet in the shade 19. So I'm going to give you a swatch of both these liquid lipsticks. This is Wine and Shine. This one is Jet Set Violet. And in close up, this is Jet Set Violet, and this is Wine and Shine. So before that, let's talk about the wand of these lipsticks. The wand is kind of slanted. If you look at it, it is not straight. It is not straight. It is kind of angled, a slight bit angled, and they are very much flexible, so that it contours your lips well, and you don't need a lip pencil to priorly line your lips. The first good thing I have noticed in this. So let's get into the application of these lipsticks. These are obviously matte lipsticks, so I had already prepped my lips using a bit of Vaseline, and I have already removed the excess of lip balm. Okay, I'll apply the Jet Set Violet one. I'm very much excited to try this color. It is such an unusual kind of violet. So I'm gonna apply Jet Set Violet on my lips now. Something in this lipstick. So one single dip of this liquid lipstick has covered my entire lips. You don't have to again go and take some product and layer up this lipstick. It has given a pretty good coverage. It is really opaque, and it has proved what it claims. This is Jet Set Violet, guys, and it is such a beautiful color, and it also suits deeper skin tones, and it is really fast drying, guys, and you have to work very fast with this liquid lipstick, as it is a kind of fast drying. You have to work a bit faster with this lipstick, otherwise it might if you come out of your lip line, it might stain or it might get set on your lips. and it is very difficult to correct it later. Now that the lipstick is completely dry, let's do some transfer test. Let me kiss my hands and see whether this liquid lipstick transfers. It absolutely doesn't transfer, guys. And now if you ask me how I feel about the lipstick, it's pretty good, it's pretty matte, and I would suggest you to apply lip balm before applying this lipstick. Also do prep your lips well. So now I'm going to try and remove this liquid lipstick using Cara cleansing wipes, cleansing and hydrating wipes. These has neem and tea tree oil. These are refreshing wipes. Sometimes I use this to remove my makeup off. So let's try and see whether this removes the liquid lipstick off from my lips. It's a bit difficult to remove these lipsticks with wet wipes. I would suggest you to use any oil based cleanser to remove this lipsticks, because it's a little bit harsh. It is kind of tugging and pulling your lips here. And the next shade I'm going to use is Wine and Shine. Done a wear test of this lipstick before few days, and I have footage of it. Like, I have checked in between my day, and I have showed you how the liquid lipstick lasted on me. So I'll be showing you that right now. Hello guys, it's Thursday morning and I got ready to go to my office. I'm just left doing my lips. So I'm going to apply Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Jet Set Violet. For the bad lighting, guys, and sorry for the mess in the background. This is how the lip shade looks. It looks more on the pinkier side on the camera, but I'll post the snaps of how it looks. It's actually 6:30 in the morning, so I am filming it with my mobile phone. Like, my camera battery is dead, so I'll be checking in frequently in between to show how this lipstick wears on my lips, and will be giving my final review. So I'll be checking in around 8 AM, like after my breakfast and reaching office. Guys, it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I couldn't film in between, so this is the time, like 12 PM in the afternoon. I'm just checking in now. So this is how the lipstick looks. It has worn out from the inner part. I'll check in after my lunch. Hey guys, it's 7:20 PM here. I couldn't check in after the lunch break, so I reached home just now, and this is how the lipstick looks. It's almost 10 to 12 hours since I applied this. I had my breakfast, I had my lunch, I had my snacks. It has lasted all through the meal. When you wear a darker lipstick and the inner part of the mouth is bare, there is no lipstick after meal. So this is not a problem, guys. You can reapply the lipstick, then it will be good to go. I don't think you can layer this lipstick up, but let's try in the main review video. So my final check-in is at 7:20 right now. So my final thoughts about the lipstick is these are very intensely pigmented lipstick, and the packaging is very compact, and it is very safe to travel with. If you have a couple of lipsticks from this range, you can easily pick up the shade you want by just looking at it, instead of just taking the lipstick out and see what color is it. does not stain your like it does not come out of your lip line, or it does not stain your clothes. The 5th pro is they are very long lasting. The 6th pro is you have 20 different liquid lipstick shades, and especially you have different different kind of violets in it. So that is a pro from my side, because I like trying out quirky and different kind of lip shades. You have to remove this lipstick only using oil based cleansers. It is not very easily removable. That is a pro for me, and it might be con for few people. Pro is you don't have to use a lip liner when you're using this lipstick, because it has a beautiful wand which can contour your lips very precisely, and it is very much flexible. It will give you a precise line and give you a precise application of the liquid lipstick. Now coming to the cons, it is a bit drying, and it will be very drying for people who haven't used any lip balm underneath. Second con is wears off from the middle, which is really not a good sight. So if you wear a dark kind of liquid, dark kind of shade, and if you try talking to someone after a meal or something, you like that person can see your natural lip shade in the inner part of your lip. So these are the 2 cons I face while using this liquid lipstick. It costs rupees 4.99 for 4.5 ml of the product. It has lot of pros than cons, so it is a beautiful product and it is worth trying. You have lot of reds, pinks, you have lot of purples and wine shades. I'm pretty much happy about this product. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more reviews on different products, wear test, and can comment down below in the comment section. I love to create content, guys, but I want it to be very useful to you people. So if you comment down your video request below in the comment section, it would be very helpful for me to create such content. And also follow me on my social medias. The links will be down below in the description box. I am very much active on Instagram. You can follow me there. My Instagram handle is. That's all for today, guys. See you on my next video.